Hi everyone, we are at BeWell MedSpa in Wilton, Manors, and I have beautiful Marcia, and we are doing the Kybella. Kybella is a fat destruction. Basically, it's an injectable. We are working under her chin. This is FDA approved for that area, and Marcia wants so beautiful. She's losing weight. Sometimes the area at under the chin is sometimes related to weight gain, sometimes it's related to hereditary. Some people just have it there and they want to get rid of it. It's an excellent procedure. We can get rid of the fat without doing any kind of surgery. It's Kybella, it's deoxycoli, which is ingredient that are found in your intestine. As you can see on Marcia, I mark it and I put like a light tattoo, and I know exactly where to go. Everyone has a different size. It basically goes price-wise. Basically goes on the size of the chin. So the larger there is, there's more medication to inject. And what you get with the injections, basically it's swell. The more we see swelling, the better it is, meaning there's some inflammation and things going on. If people do not swell, it does not work on them. So the more swelling we see, the better it is. It's usually subside around like 7 days. What I notice on clients, they will notice it, but other people after like 2-3 days will not notice it. Another thing, side effect that there is with the Kybella, there's some numbness, and that's one of another issue that we can see, that Marcia would notice more of the swelling than other people because you don't feel that area. And the swelliness and the numbness, they all go away. The other risk with any kind of injection is bruising and inflammation. We clean the area with alcohol, and then bruising, it just can happen. We ice it just for the pain before the injection, and you will see it's very quick. So ready to start?
Yes.
All right, so I will have you, perfect. Marcia is a little bit cold, probably just from the ice. So I already cleaned it with alcohol. I'm just going over again. I clean the ice as well. And as you see, Marcia, turn your head this way. And we just go right by the side of the dot. How are you, Marcia?
I'm good.
And then it's burning.
And how long is usually this procedure?
Take?
Yes.
It really depends on the size. So I think the prep of the medication takes me longer than the injection itself.
At least we're prepping over here.
I just do it slow. I don't like to inject really fast, honestly.
That's good too. So usually after you do the Kybella, you also offer radio frequency?
Correct. So we do, after the injections, we wait around 2 weeks, and then, I don't know if you notice already, there's some swelling already here on the side.
It's working.
And Marcia, how do you feel?
I feel good. I can feel the treatment, but it's not overwhelming.
Okay, good. That's good. I like to hear that. And then another thing, I like people to stay away from ibuprofen before any kind of injection, just for the bruising, fish oil, and vitamin E.
So you said avoid having a facial?
Fish oils.
Oh, fish oils. Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
Facial you can have. Turn to me a little bit. Okay, perfect.
Is it usually a little tender after as well?
Yeah. you know, it's still a series of injections, so it still hurts a little bit. Again, it swells a lot. And it's something I would do it at like a weekend or something, when you have no obligation.
Have some recovery time.
Correct. I mean, it's Florida, we can wear a lot of scarf around our neck. But
someone just commented asking, what is the price?
it really depends on the size, so everybody are different. It can start with 600 for a small little vial, and it can run usually the average of treatment need like around 3 sessions.
3 sessions.
Correct. And I wouldn't know until we see the results how many sessions someone needs.
Some people benefit from 1, some 2.
Most what I see is people who are very small, they would need 1 session. Where it's just like a little bump that we do, those people need a 1. I rarely see people who need 1 session. And Kybella, what's good, I know it's FDA approved for under the chin, but we have started using it on other areas, like the bra fat, people with lipoma, which is just a fatty area. They go through surgeries. We can dissolve it with Kybella as well, which is very nice. Sorry.
Oren says hello.
Hi, Oren.
So yes, it obviously depends on who comes in your consultation.
Mm-hmm.
You might only need 1.
Correct.
You might need to come back for 2. So all depending on how much fat is under the chin.
Correct.
And we provide blankets if you're cold. How's it going over there?
Good.
Good.
I can feel it, but it's
Yeah, you look relaxed.
Yes, I can feel
The
when
ice
she
help
talks.
a lot.
Yes,
Right?
definitely.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I love ice.
So would you suggest keep using ice today for
Reduce swelling.
reduce the swelling?
When you go home, I would recommend to put some ice. I would really recommend not to do anything to it.
Not at
Because
all?
we want to kind of have some inflammation going on. So when you put ice, it's a kind of anti-inflammatory. We don't like to see that.
Oh, really?
We want to destroy those fat cells.
Correct.
So when would be the ideal day to start using the ice?
We'll put some arnica on it. That's another thing we
You
can
also
do.
take tablets.
Yeah, arnica tablets, if you have.
Mm.
That's also good. You can ice it, I guess, tomorrow a little bit.
So
You
normally,
probably would not. You wouldn't need it to ice it. It's not gonna do anything to it.
And what made you want to get this done?
Marcia, that's a question for you.
I was waiting to. Because I am losing weight. I'm trying to lose weight naturally, and probably it is hereditary a little bit that I have a little bit of this double chin. So it's something that I have been wanting to get rid of for a long time. So that's why talking with Michal and Oren, she suggested that would be a great treatment because it's localized to this specific area.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Because to lose weight, I'm doing other things, exercise and things like that, but this is something specific.
Yeah, it's hard to lose that weight under the chin. Even the skinniest people have it.
Correct. Yep. Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're all done.
Wow, that's pretty
Yeah.
quick. Yeah.
And if you see, I already see some swelling, which is normal. That's what I wanted to
That's
see.
what we want to see.
And I put some ice a little bit, just for the pain a little bit.
If anyone's interested, you can comment below or message us.
Yeah, so we're in Wilton Manors in Fort Lauderdale. And consultation are always free, so you can come in, we can talk, discuss. Some people, they are a good candidate and some are not. It really depends on the site. If it's very, very large, this is probably not for you. But if it's small and contained to that area, it's perfect. I think it's a perfect alternative for a non-surgical approach.
Awesome.
All
And
right.
I feel great.
Yeah, we
results.
can see the result. We're gonna post the before and after. It takes around 6 weeks to kind of kick in. Beside of just getting the Kybella, we're also gonna do some skin tightening after that. So we do with the radio frequency as well. All right, everybody, have
Bye,
a good
everyone.
one.
Bye.